Hello, good day, everybody. Welcome back to my channel on how to develop and improve your programming skills, specifically using the Python language, which is tend to be one of the easiest from different programmers. So yeah, maybe you might find it comfortable to use other languages like the JavaScript, the SQL. Yeah, but I think yeah, if you have Python, it's a good kind of thing. So our topic today is the what we're going to learn is the input and the print. So the input and print. That is what we're going to learn. These are inbuilt functions inside the computer or the programming software. So we don't often use these kind of words since they are kind of inbuilt and known by the software already. So what we mostly do is uh, let's say variable x equals, or let me make my variable lowercase. Yeah, variable x equals input. Then after input you open parentheses. I mostly, yeah, then you raise your double quotation marks or simple single quotation marks. Then you say something like enter a number. Then yeah, you close your parentheses and you press enter, or yeah, whatever you use to proceed. Yeah, I can also use F5 key, sorry, yeah, to kind of run it, but I prefer the enter, so I click on enter. Then there's a command back to me that enter a number. So the number is 3. So yeah, that's how mostly the input function works. Or you can press, let's say, X, and you could see that your input was assigned to a number 3. So that's how the input function works. Yeah, there are more and more applications of this input that you can use and apply, and yeah, get familiar with the basics of the Python programming language. Now let's move on to our print, and same as the input, you open parentheses, then you create some quotation marks, then you say something like the result is, then let's say you write your 3 here, then you close parentheses. Then yeah, from here you can also press, yeah, enter. Then the software returns what the print function stated. So basically what the input does is to request you to input either a number or a character or a float value inside the software, or and the print function prints your kind of your text. Yeah, let me say your text or your string that you want to be printed. So you could see that here the output of the print is, the result is 3, and the input requested me to enter a number which is 3, which was assigned to a variable x. And basically that's it for our course today. I hope you learned something, and stay tuned, subscribe, like and comment, and stay tuned for more videos to develop and build your programming skills. I hope you really enjoyed this, and stay tuned. Bye bye. Ciao.